If you need to transcribe something, you probably know that it is hard to do when you need to play the audio in one software and then write it in a different one. And when you want to stop the video or audio, you need to leave the writing tool, stop it, and then go back and forth to find the place where you stop transcribing. So, although you can transcribe with AI or other services, sometimes you just need to do it yourself. Here is a free tool to help you edit and have the audio and the text in the same editor with timeline sync. In this video, I am going to share a free tool from HappyScribe. This tool is free, so you won't get any AI to help you with it. You need to transcribe it yourself. The tool helps you organize the transcription or translate the video or audio. You will need to write the text, but it helps you visualize and connect the timing to the transcription. So let's see how to use it. First, you need to go to HappyScribe. You have the link in the description of the video, and it will take you directly to the tool. The first thing you need to do is upload the file. Then it will open the editor. It will ask you what language you are going to use. It does not matter much because you are transcribing it yourself. Click on Create Subtitles manually. If you click on the other button for AI, it will take you to the paid tool. It is very simple. In the middle is where you write the transcription. You can see that you can add the speaker at the beginning, so if it is a dialogue or you have a few people speaking in the audio, you can write on the side who spoke at that time. In each line, you have the timing of that speaker. Under it, you write the transcription. To create the transcription, you just write the text. Then you can press Enter on your keyboard to create a new speaker. You can change the speaker or just use it that way to make some paragraphs. On the side, you have the option to mark the text as approved. After you finish transcribing, you can go over it and mark where the transcription is accurate. If you have a video file, you will see the video on the side. At the bottom, you have the timeline and some buttons. Starting with the play button, click it to hear the video or audio file. Next to it, you can jump 5 seconds forward or back. You can see the timing of the video. If you need to make the video slower or faster, you have the option to change the speed by clicking here. So if someone spoke fast and you couldn't catch it, you can just make it slower. The Find button is used to find and replace text in the transcription. If, for some reason, you need to change a specific word to a different one, you can use the Find and Replace tool. Click the magnifying glass, and on the side, you can find the word. Under it, you have the option to choose to replace only if it is the same word. If you have the word repeated again and again in the text, you will see a list of all of them, and then you can change one by one or change all of them together by clicking Replace All. If you click on a sentence, it will mark it in yellow, and you can just change that word by writing the other word in the Replace box. Next to the Find and Replace button, you have the Redo and Undo buttons. Those are important if you made a mistake with the Find and Replace. At the end of the timeline, you have more options in the 3 dots button. Click it, and you get shortcuts. In this list, you have keyboard shortcuts for actions you do regularly. It saves time to learn this list, but you can also create your own shortcuts if you like something else. To change the shortcut keys, click on the line of the shortcut you want to change, then click Edit. Now, on your keyboard, click the keys you want to add to that command, and it will record the shortcuts you are trying to change. Click X to close the window. You have a few more things here. In the time format, you can choose to use milliseconds or frames. Under it, you can choose how much it will go back when you pause. You can set it to go back a few seconds. This is useful when you have fast talking and, when you pause, you don't remember everything. Read along will follow the text and jump to it. Go back to the main editor. When you have a few lines, you can click on the timing, and it will jump to that timing in the timeline. At the top left, you can upload a different file if you want to change it, or if you find it is not the one you wanted, or you can start from scratch. On the other side, you can export the text you wrote to a text file. You can also check what you want to include in the text you export, like the timecode or the speaker. You can also export the text as plain text. After you close the project, you can't go back to it because this tool does not require sign up at all, and it does not save the project anywhere. This is good if you only need it for something at one point and you don't need it for a long time. You can watch this video to learn more about the HappyScribe app for transcribing and translating text. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.